Your PLC trainer's three-phase fan can be purchased with an optional encoder. And also we sell the three-phase fan encoder combo separately. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this encoder to your existing trainer. Let's talk about options for interfacing it with our PLC trainer. This comes in two varieties. We have an IO link option and an incremental option. The IO link option interfaces directly with the IO link trainer that we have, and it has an extra port coincidentally. So at that point, you'll have two standard devices and two IO link devices on it. And the IO link can interface with all of our PLC trainers. If you go with the incremental option, then by default, it can interface with the PowerFlex 525's pulsed input, which is terminal number 7, and that'll give you speed feedback. It'll also interface with the Micro 850's high-speed counters. Now, if you want to do it with the Micro 820 PLC, you will need the high-speed counter plug-in module. If you want to do it with the compact logic, so you need the Point.io high-speed module. And you can also get an encoder module for the PowerFlex 525. The encoder is actually two parts. This does not directly couple to the fan. It just has to get really close. So we're going to epoxy this piece onto the front of our fan. Then you're going to need to 3D print this part, and you can download the file off of our website, and then you'll bolt the encoder to it. To make sure that it adheres well to your fan, you need to scuff up the surface really well. And let me tell you, do not do it the way I'm doing it here, because we're still cleaning up black dust where I flung it all over the training center. But just take a piece of 80 grit sandpaper and just sand it by hand. Then you're going to use your 3D print as a guide to line up your encoder. So put painter's tape around the perimeter of the hole. That way the epoxy doesn't stick to it. Then go ahead and bolt your 3D printed adapter down to your fan. Mix up some epoxy, and I'll put a link to the epoxy we use down in the description, and apply it generously to both the encoder part and your fan. Then place it on top of the fan, and we use some ferrules to kind of line it up. Clamp it down and let it set for 24 hours, and then take it back apart, remove all the tape, and then bolt your encoder onto your 3D printed adapter. Note the yellow part needs to go towards the fan. Then put your adapter on top of your fan and bolt it together. Click here to purchase your fan encoder combo. And once you have it all set up, then here's a playlist on getting it configured.